My name's Zach. I've recently completed my apprenticeship with Rawson IT. I've been working here for coming up to 2 years now, and after completing my apprenticeship I got offered a full-time role. I personally don't learn very well in the classroom. I found that out originally. I went to college after school, but wasn't a massive fan. I did well, I completed my first year, but it wasn't really for me. And then I got the opportunity to come and do an apprenticeship in Rawson IT, and you gain your knowledge on site rather than being told what to do and then trying to remember that afterwards when you end up in the field. Well, when I first started, I was completely new. I'd never touched IT. I could get around IT a little bit, but they were really, really great at sort of pushing me to learn. If I was struggling anything, they'd always step aside and go through it in detail and help me learn a lot faster than I think I could have in another company. Well, personally, I think for me, I've always been quite a shy person. I'm not the biggest fan of talking to new people, but since starting, obviously speaking to customers over the phone and in person at customer sites, it's sort of boosted my confidence socially, obviously professionally as well as personally with my colleagues. Short-term wise, I'd like to increase my skill set and my knowledge, progress a bit further, and then long-term I'd like to stay within the company but maybe progress a bit higher up. Yeah, I'd definitely recommend an apprenticeship to anybody really who's looking who either left school or a bit further on in life. It's worked out really well for me, and I know I've got a few friends who are doing an apprenticeship and really enjoying it as well.